So right here, this is the sweep of the 930 high. Yeah, 930 high. We sweep that, and then I said I hope to see price move lower. So once it moves lower, it'll be able to take out those relatively equal lows, but I didn't mark them here. But yeah, I'm on delayed data by the way, but that should be fixed round about like 5 episodes to come or so. So right here, price is really chopping up. This happens due to news being absent in the US for the USD. So there weren't any news for USD. Instead, there were news for the euro. So sometimes when there's no news, not even sometimes, yeah, sometimes when there's no news, price is choppy. And this is the choppiness I'm talking about. So as you can see, price is really being choppy. It's chopping up a lot. So yeah, but I did still say I'm still on the idea of me hoping to see price move lower. But after all that chopping up, we did see price start to move lower, and we did react off this volume imbalance that was in price action. It's an intraday volume imbalance. It's not on the daily chart or anything. But yeah, we reacted off it. We didn't close on it or above it, so which signaled a lot of weakness, which is good. It's good. And then right here, price just went all the way above that volume imbalance, but still, I'm on the idea of wanting to see price move lower. I haven't changed anything. I haven't changed in my bias or anything. But since we didn't have news, price became really choppy again, and it started taking out those relatively equal highs and the highest high of the session, which I marked with that blue horizontal ray. So yeah, this is what happens when there's no news. Price becomes really, really choppy, and it's very annoying. I wouldn't advise anyone to trade when there is no news. You can just tape read. Tape read is basically what I was doing here. You just anticipate where you want to see price go, and you just watch price. I also did add some targets where I wanted to see price draw to. It was an MT inversion fair value gap. I wanted that to be used as a target point and also to be used as like, I don't know, a confluence. What do you call these things? Yeah, I wanted it to be used as a PD array. I don't know if that's what you call it, but yeah, I wanted it to be used as that. And yeah, I wanted to see price move lower. That's the main goal here. After all that up and down, price eventually closed above the volume imbalance I didn't want it to close on, and started trading into the previous day's opening range gap. And from there, I really wanted to see price just I wanted to see price become weak, right? I didn't want to see it close above the midpoint. I don't know if you can see the midpoint, but it's the dotted lines or the dashed lines. I wanted to see price respect that point. I didn't want to see price actually reach there, because that's gonna indicate weakness, and it's gonna, oh, what the fuck, and it's gonna indicate a lot of bearishness, right? So that's what I wanted to see, but I didn't. Yeah, I even wrote it down. I said I want to see how price reacts to this opening range gap. Meaning, I don't want to see it close, right? I don't want to see it close. So yeah, I still had the ideology or the idea of wanting price to move lower. That was my initial bias for the day. I didn't change anything. Yeah, no, today was a rough day in terms of price action. I decided to put the computer down. I decided to put the computer down and just go chill, and I wanted to wait for the 11:30 macro, which is basically like a retrace macro type shit. So yeah. So after playing FIFA, I decided to hop back for the lunch macro, and I saw that price respected that opening range gap, which is exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to see it fail to reach the midpoint. which indicated a lot of bearishness, right? And it came to my target, the inversion fair value gap I wanted to be touched. And then I think it started trading low. I don't know. You're gonna see on the next slide. All right, here we go. Price ended up going all the way to that inversion fair value gap, but it was time for the lunch macro, so I wanted to see a retrace of the current range we had. So that high I marked with the green horizontal ray is basically the first high after 10 o'clock. So yeah, but I didn't end up trading that whole session. I had to rush somewhere, so yeah. But all in all, this channel is just really a revision, not revision, it's a, what you call this, a trade recap channel. So yeah, this is to help track my progress and to document my trading journey. Yeah, I am gonna post some achievements in the future, like being funded and stuff. I am gonna post that, and I am gonna post the bad and tough days as well, losing days, you know. But yeah, all in all, I wouldn't trade this day.